Understanding, cough something up, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, cough something up. This expression might sound a bit odd at first, but it's widely used in both formal and informal contexts. Let's unravel its meanings and how you can use it effectively in your English conversations. When we look at the phrase, cough something up, it initially brings to mind the literal action of coughing. In a physical sense, it means to expel something from the throat or lungs by coughing. This could be anything that's causing irritation or blockage. For example, after choking on a piece of food, he managed to cough it up. This usage is quite straightforward and relates directly to the physical act of coughing. Interestingly, cough something up is more commonly used in a figurative sense. It means to give something reluctantly, especially money or information that someone has been asking for. This usage paints a picture of something being as difficult to release as something stuck in your throat. Examples include, the company finally coughed up the refund. After hours of interrogation, the suspect coughed up the details of the plan. In these contexts, the phrase conveys a sense of resistance or reluctance prior to the act of giving or revealing something. Knowing when and how to use this phrase can add a playful or emphatic tone to your English. It's perfect for situations where you want to highlight the difficulty or unwillingness involved in the action. In informal discussions, especially about money, saying someone needs to cough up the cash emphasizes the reluctance or delay. In narratives or storytelling, using cough something up to describe a character's confession can add a layer of tension or reluctance. Remember, while it's a useful expression, it's best used in contexts where its figurative meaning is clear and where a slightly informal tone is appropriate. And that's a wrap on cough something up. Whether it's expelling something physically or giving something up reluctantly, this phrase is a colorful addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and you're now ready to use it confidently in your conversations. Don't forget to practice, and see you in our next video.